Ano yung nangyari po sa third set at biglang nagising yung UE at napalakad kayo?
Hindi naman siguro talagang yung based doon sa mga previous game ng UE on the third set, medyo talagang they try to push themselves na maipanalo. Somehow medyo may konting control dun sa bola namin, kaya hindi rin namin halos deliver. Pero ready naman po kami doon.
Alright, thank you to Vince. You had 13 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, 5 digs, and 3 excellent receptions. So, what can you say now that you think ito na yung may ilalabas pa yung Green Spikers? Kahit nasa 4-1 na kayo, may ilalabas pa yun.
Siyempre, lagi ganun kasi pinupush lagi kami ng coaches namin na every game may pakitang bago and to improve and maging consistent sa amin kasi yun yung gusto nilang mangyari. We need consistency sa paglalaro in every game na mangyari, lalo na ngayon towards tail end ng first round para makapag-build kami ng momentum going sa second round.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, 3 straight wins. I guess parang medyo maraming nagpipick na kayo pero how siguro po masasustain ng team yun kasi maaga pa first round, di pa patapos pa lang tayo.
Ano lang, siguro focus dun sa every game na hinaharap namin. Hindi namin actually pinag-uusapan ng team yung kung ano na yung magiging pwesto namin. Basta every game, we see to it, advice sila, kami mga coaches na advice na every game talagang we make sure we do our best. That's it. Yung forecast na if we're going to lead or mag-stop sa rank, wala pa kami na pag-usapan.
Vince, how do you make sure lang with your teammates na walang relax, especially against UE and yung next game nyo UE, parang walang panalo?
Siyempre, unang-una yung respect namin sa kalaban namin. Kasi kapag hindi mo dapat minamalit yung kalaban kasi nag-training yan and bilog yung bola. So anything can happen. Yung sa amin lang, we have to play all out every game at pagandaan kung sino man yung mga kalaban namin.
Congratulations, Coach Jose and Vince. Thank you.